Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, orange color, red color, violet color, dark green color, dark blue color. A for apple. B for blueberry. C for candy. D for dog. E for egg. F for flowers. G for goat. H for horse. I for iron. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for train. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.